Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is exam preparation MCQs based video guys for the course data analytics with Python. So these are past assignment MCQs with 6 years of NPTEL experience. We are providing this. Here you are going to get a huge number of 360 MCQs guys. 360 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF restricted link. It's a restricted link. So in a Google Drive PDF restricted link you are going to get huge number of 360 MCQs. 360 MCQs. For one person it will be 350 rupees guys. For 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500 rupees guys. So 360 MCQs for one person 350, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500. So if your friends or classmates doing the same course, so pair up with them and take it for 2 to 5 persons combined pack so that you can share that 500 price, but everyone will get 360 MCQs in that group. So this is the mail ID guys, bk179417@gmail.com. So mail me to this email ID if you're confirmed to make the purchase. So this is the mail ID guys, bk179417@gmail.com. I'll give the same email ID in the description box also. So for the course data analytics with Python, huge number of 360 MCQs. Huge number of 360 MCQs. For one person 350, for 2 to 5 persons combinedly 500. So this is the mail ID, bk179417@gmail.com. So with 6 years plus experience in NPTEL we are providing this. So wish you all the best for your final exam guys. So do well, keep supporting our channel forever guys. Goodbye.